He wore a ball cap, coat zipped high, eyes like thunder beneath that sky. By the row of phones he stood alone, like he was waiting to be shown a sign. No badge, no rage, no sound, no plea, just a father in quiet agony. And the man who broke his family's world was walking free through that airport swirl. He didn't ask for fame or fight, he didn't look to wrong or right. But when the law looked the other way, the man by the payphone made him pay. That boy was 12, his world undone by a monster who had taken his son. Crossed state lines, shaved his hair, disgusting events I will not share. Gary flew in, fire in his chest, knowing justice wouldn't do the rest. And with one step and one drawn breath, he gave Dowsett a quicker death. He didn't cry, he didn't run, he didn't curse the smoking gun. He just turned and let the silence grow while the cameras rolled in Baton Rouge. There's a moment when a man won't bend, when protecting blood becomes the end. And if you ask what he'd do again, he'd say every damn time, my friend. So hang your halos where you will, but some wounds time just can't heal. And justice didn't make that call, it came from a father in a terminal hall. And when the gun smoked through the gate, a voice cried out, too by the payphone.